And action. Honey, I got a surprise for you.
Really?
I present to you the bicycle gate. Bicicleta.
Isn't it clever?
Yeah.
So cute.
Oh, I'm glad you think so.
Huffy gate.
It's the Huffy gate.
Nice.
Give it a try.
All right, here I go. Is this a kickstand?
Yeah, it is. Let's try it out. There you go.
Nice. That's clever. Good job, honey.
Go ahead and close it for me if you would. All right. Now I'm going to come in. Just push it open. All right. So what we have here is the bicycle gate. I've never seen anybody do this before, but I always thought that the headset would make a great, the steering tube and all that would make for a great hinge for a gate. So this is how I did it. Little pipe bolted to my post on my fence, and then you can see I have it attached like a handlebar. Went ahead and added a brake and the Stormy Archer on there, and then I simply just used some plumbing tape and screwed the wheel to that post. That's it. That's the whole attachment. And because of the angle of the headset and all, go ahead and open it for me, hon. Because of the angle of the headset, it swings open and then it automatically wants to close. Just like that. And it'll just want to stay closed. And then let's show them how the kickstand works again, will you, honey? So I added an attachment, just a pipe to the end of the kickstand because it wants to close. And so voila, now the gate stays open.
Good job, honey.
Ah, thank you. All right, there you go, the bicycle gate. Enjoy.